Hey, what's up everybody? This is Papa Bale. Welcome to the channel. I'm going to jack my power supply all the way up to 25 volts. Now I'm going to get it in here and I'm going to spin this. Might have to go the other way, but we'll see. Here we go. Feels right. And we're gonna get some higher voltage. Gotta concentrate on this and find the spot because I'm moving it around a little bit. There we go. There's a spot.
100.
$120. And then I turn this all the way off. And this will taper down a lot slower than if there were only 6 magnets on there. It's going down pretty slow right now. I wonder what that rattling was. I mean, it's going pretty fast. I mean, yeah, the energy dissipated rather quickly. Might have to put some grease on it. Put some lithium grease on it. Looks like it's moving pretty good, but I mean, it's just, it can move better than that. I know. Alright, that's just what I wanted to show you. And that right here is this air coil right here, and these two coils right here. This is an 38 gauge, 38 gauge, and a 34 gauge, I think, pretty sure. Thanks everybody.